Look what came! Shirts! Shirts! Look at the back! Shirts with our QR codes. So you can come right to the page. Liking these videos, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe because we will have more videos coming soon from car shows, from the garage, and just generally the life of building carburetors. Other news, I got invited to the Blood Drag car show where it's an outdoor and indoor car show. It has classics, tuners, trucks, lowriders. $15. It's $15 for entry. If you donate blood, it's free. And if you bring a stuffed animal with its tag on it, it's half off. It's in West Palm Beach, Florida. And I'm gonna be there with my Jeep. And actually we got a spot on the floor, so I'm gonna be doing how to disassemble and rebuild carburetors videos, and I'm gonna be selling carburetors there. So if you're in Florida or you just wanna fly from your state to West Palm, you definitely should, because it's for a good cause. It's gonna be a great car show.
Play like, I don't like to play.
I gotta play nice music.
Doing? What are you doing? How long is this video?
Oh, you have like 40 videos in your camera at the moment.
Awesome.
We were thinking we should make a video that's like funny things in the garage that just make sense.
Okay. Like what?
Take marks.
Yes.
Gloves.
Oh, you
surfboards.
Hold on. You did 5.
No.
Yesterday.
What are you? Oh.
You did 5.
Oh.
You know, your mom's gonna be.
Nah, she'll be fine.
She draws on herself all the time.
Can I have my camera
My
back?
mom doesn't know.
Are you done for now?
Yeah, you can go through them.
Thank you.